Hi, good morning everyone. I'm Sonu. Yesterday I was at some work outside of the city, like village, uh, village surroundings, and I have sitting into a front of tea stall, and one lady over there. She was talking very frankly, and finally, I have decided that I should have to ask something which must be help for us. Actually, on that condition, I have asked the lady to a question. That question was, "Does changing man bring happiness?" And that lady replied to me, "If changing man truly brought happiness, then the happiest woman would be the one sitting in a brothel." When I have get this replied, then totally changed my mentality. Then what have I asked? Actually, what she have replied to me. Actually, this is a big thing. Everyone are searching their happiness everywhere, but actually happiness is there where she is the satisfied. Thank you. Bye bye.